We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. Attention to detail and great satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete care to each and every individual. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. Contact the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.